GST Tips Week 23. Relevant date for the refund in case of deemed exports is the date on which the return relating to such deemed exports is filed. In the case of export of services, input tax refund is available on the inputs used for the same. The relevant date for refund is a. Receipt of payment in convertible foreign exchange, where the supply of service had been completed prior to the receipt of such payment, or b. The date of issue of invoice, where payment for the service had been received in advance prior to the date of issue of the invoice. Relevant date for the refund in case of on account of a judgment, decree, order or direction of the appellate authority, appellate tribunal or any court. The date on which the same is communicated will be the relevant date. Relevant date in the following cases for refund under GST. A. In the case of unutilized input tax credit, last day of the financial year. B. In the case of a person, other than the supplier, the date of receipt of goods or services by such person. C. In any other cases, the date of payment of tax. Every tax invoice issued by the taxpayer under GST should have HSN, Harmonized System Nomenclature, code in the case of supply of goods and in the case of supply of services SAC, Services Accounting Code. The tax invoice numbering under GST should be alpha or numeric or alphanumeric. It should not contain any special characters like slash, or, dash, etc. And for each year the number should be a unique number and the length of the invoice number less than or equal to 50 characters. Tax invoice under GST has to be issued in 3 copies for the supply of goods. First one is to be marked as original for recipient, the copy second should be marked as duplicate for transporter, and the third copy should be marked as triplicate for supplier.